Hi, my name is Kelly Yeaman. I am a first grade teacher in Montgomery County Public Schools, and I'm also earning my master's degree in instructional technology. But today I'm here to introduce MCPS VS, or Montgomery County Public Schools Virtual School. MCPS currently has many schools, making it the largest public school system in Maryland. We have plenty of schools, yet we have 0 virtual schools. Do you believe that all 144,000 students are provided with individualized instruction based on their needs? This is where MCPS VS comes into play. A virtual school is one that provides online classes that give students control over the place, pace, and path of their own learning. So why choose MCPS VS? At MCPS VS, it is our mission to meet every student where they are, to educate each student with a rigorous curriculum to meet MCPS standards and to best prepare our students for their futures. We know that we will have a range of students we serve at MCPS VS, and we want to provide each with individualized education to help them succeed. MCPS VS has options for everyone. You can take courses in addition to your traditional school. You can take courses that your school may not offer. There are online options for students who get bored or face challenges in the physical classroom. And MCPS VS is also a great option for families who need more control over their schedules. MCPS VS will begin with a blended learning style to help students adjust to virtual learning and then move towards a fully online virtual learning setting. Blended learning consists of individual and personalized online learning. You will also meet in person with a teacher-led small group instruction, and you will also be collaborating with your teacher and classmates to successfully learn in this setting. Once students are successfully learning, we will move to a fully online learning where you can take multiple courses with everything online and no meeting in person. This is great and provides many advantages such as flexibility in schedules, many opportunities, and much control over your own learning and your pace. If you're interested in MCPS VS, please complete the survey that will be sent out by MCPS to tell us about what about traditional MCPS schools is not working, your students' learning styles, strengths, and needs to help our staff begin creating individualized lessons. You can also learn more about virtual schools and MCPS VS through additional readings that will be sent out by MCPS. Thank you, and I hope you consider MCPS VS as a school option for you.